Hey guys, I have a new flower tutorial for you today. I decided to make it multicolored, but you could also make it all one color, up to you. If you're interested in flower or leaf tutorials, I have several and have added them to a playlist for you. You can find a link in the description. As always, a quick like, comment, and subscribe really does help out my channel. Thanks so much. Let's get started. Cut 2 pieces of 4mm rope in the color Bisque, each piece is 8 feet long. Cut 6 pieces of 4mm rope in the color Vintage Blue, each piece is 6 feet long. Fold the bisque cords so that there are 3 feet on one side and 5 feet on the other. Attach the first cord to your dowel using a lark's head knot so that the 3-foot piece is on the outer left side of your work. Fold all of the vintage blue cords in half and attach them using lark's head knots to the right side of the bisque cord. Attach the last bisque cord so that the 3-foot piece is on the outer right side of your work. Tie 4 square knots across your work. Tie 1 square knot in the middle of your work. Use the 4th cord from the left as your filler cord and tie 4 double half hitch knots working down and to the right. Use the current 4th cord from the left as your filler cord and tie 2 double half hitch knots working down and to the left. Repeat 3 more times down your work using the cords on the right as your filler cords. Use the left cord as your filler cord and tie 4 double half hitch knots working down and to the right. Skip 4 cords on the left and tie a square knot with the next 4 cords. You have now created 1 petal. Repeat that process on the right side of your work to create the 2nd petal. We will tie a berry knot in the middle to create the center of the flower. Tie 3 square knots around the 4 middle cords. Thread the 4 middle cords from front to back as I've done here to create the berry. Tie one more square knot underneath the berry to hold it in place. Skip 4 cords on the left and tie a square knot with the next 4 cords. Use the 5th cord from the left as your filler cord and tie 4 double half hitch knots working down into the left. Use the current 5th cord from the left as your filler cord and tie 2 double half hitch knots working to the right. Repeat 3 more times down your work using the cords on the left as your filler cords. Use the middle left cord as your filler cord and tie 4 double half hitch knots working down into the left. Tie square knot with the 4 cords on the left. Create another petal on the right side of your work using the same process. Tie 3 square knots in the middle of your work to mirror the pattern at the top. If you'd like to continue this pattern, repeat the same process to create another flower underneath this one to create a longer wall hanging, or on the sides to create a wider wall hanging. Thanks so much for watching.